When the weekend comes, you have to include hot steaming momos in your menu. I don't have to eat soggy potted momos when I can make it by myself with appliance. One of Appliance's owner has already made a momo recipe using manual mode, so we'll be using that to cook. The filling and the dough are made on the appliance separately. We begin with the dough. We are going to use the chapati dough setting to make this. Adding water and rice flour, run the step and let appliance do the rest. Next, for the filling. As you can see, we have already saved the instructions. Momo filling is just stir-fried vegetables and sauces. Appliance can handle that. First, the chopping, and then the cooking. Now, the trickiest of this, rolling and folding the momos. For the final step, we steam them in the appliance. And the star of the show, steamer basket. We're using the steamer basket that you get with your appliance. There are other recipes like modak, tetli, and even rice you can cook with a steamer basket. Nice! It's steamy. So you can also make the momo chutney with the appliance, but we thought of making something fancy like this dipping sauce. Bye!